अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल किड्स ट्रेनिंग एंड टीचिंग स्किल। सबसे पहले सबको मेरा सलाम। प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो। टुडे we will learn how to write a small letters. Write A. Start from the middle and make a curve. Next, go to the middle again and draw a standing line. Downwards, write the small curves. A. Write B. Start from the top and draw standing line. Go to the center and draw curves line. B. Write C. Start from the top, draw a standing line. Also start from the middle and draw a curve till the bottom. Write D. Start from the top and draw a standing line. Start from the middle, draw a small curves line. D. Write E. Draw small sweeping line and continue make a curves. E. Write F. Start from the top and draw a standing line. Go to the top and make small little curves. Again go to the center and draw a sleeping line. F. Write G. Start from the middle and draw small curves. Go to the middle and draw standing. Go to the down and draw small curve. Write H. Start from the top and draw standing line. Then go to the middle and make a curves. Write I. Make a small standing line. Write J. Draw a standing line from the middle with the small curve. Write K. Start from the top and make standing line to the bottom. Next go to the mid and draw a standing line. to the left, go again, make a slanting line. K. Write L, start from the top and make a standing line. Go to the mid and make a little curve. Write M, start from the middle and make a standing line to the bottom. Go to the middle and making a curve, reaching a bottom. Make again and same way M. Write N, start from the mid and make a standing line to the bottom. Go to the mid and making a curves, reaching a bottom. Write O, start from the middle and make a small circle to the left. Write P, start from the middle and move down blue, down. Then go to the middle and make a half circle. Write Q, start from the middle and make a small C. Next, go to the middle and again make a standing line. Start to the down and make a little slanting line. Write R, start from the middle and draw a standing line and go to the middle and draw a small curves. Write S, start from the middle and swing to the left. Next, swing to the right. Write T, start above the middle and draw a standing line. Go to the down, make a little curves. Next, go to the center and draw a sleeping line. Write U, start to the mid and draw a little standing. Make a little curves and again go to the up, make a standing line U. Write V, start from the mid and draw a little slanting line. Again start, make a slanting line same way. V, W, start from the center and draw a little slanting line. Go to the mid and make a slanting line. Again draw a slanting line and go to the mid. Draw a slanting line. W. X. Start to the mid and draw a slanting line. Go again to the mid and draw a little slanting line. Write Y. Start from the mid and draw a small standing line and go again to and make a little curve and go to again mid, draw a standing and make a curve. Y. Z. Start from the mid and draw a small sleeping line. Go to the down and draw a slanting line. Make a right small little sleeping line.